Hi there, it's Graham and Shirley from Sandy Adventures. We're in Nelson City, top end of the South Island. We've got 48 hours here to have a good look around. Lots of things to see and do in this area, so come along with us on the journey. And Nelson's got a reputation for good art. There are lots of galleries here, good food and good restaurants, good cafes, and a lively street culture. This is Trafalgar Street, and right above us there is the interesting spire of Christchurch Cathedral, Nelson. But there's lots of fantastic places to eat all the way along and around it, all with great reputations. And our first stop is the Nelson Provincial Museum, so we'll go in and take a look.
We took a walk around the streets of Nelson. It's built on a grid system and very easy to navigate. There's a great mixture of styles of buildings with everything you need. Lots of galleries and cafes and restaurants. And there's a real buzz in the air. We had some great food and coffee.
Over the road here on Bridge Street is Victor's Coffee and Eatery. We popped in there yesterday and had the most amazing sandwiches. Next to it is a sort of pop-up food place, lots of sushi and various other things, which is very popular. People have a place to pop in and chill out. Lovely. We're just popping into the Sutter Art Gallery at the bottom end of Bridge Street. It's got a very good reputation, so we'll take a quick look. And just below the rather splendid Sutter Gallery are the municipal gardens here, which are very beautiful. The gardens are called the Queen's Gardens. A mixture of beautiful local trees, and then the more formal Victorian-style gardens as well. Very tranquil and peaceful place to come. Just over here, there's a little bridge we'll go over. Just come in to take a look at Christchurch Cathedral here in Nelson. Someone is playing the organ rather beautifully. Very beautiful in its simplicity. Really lovely. We're just north of Nelson, and we've come to a place called Able Bay, which is incredibly beautiful. Just like my wife, whose birthday it is today. So happy birthday, Shirley. Thanks very much. We're going to spend a bit of time here in this rather lovely place. And then we're going to do some of Shirley's favourite things today. We're going to the home of...
quilting and crafting.
And also, we're going to go to Pic's Peanut Butter Factory. And then from there, we're going to go on to a vineyard and Rabbit Island. So it's a full day, but it should be lots and lots of fun. So come along. Just do a pan round here just to show you. Absolutely glorious it is. You can see Able Tasman in the distance. As I come round this rather beautiful bay, there's Boxy the camper van. And a nice settlement. And all the way along the ridge of the hill there are lots of beautiful houses overlooking this fantastic scene. How beautiful is this? Just wandering along to a little cafe. Hopefully it's open.
We popped down to a beautiful stretch of coastline in the heart of Nelson, Tahunanui Beach. It's one of Nelson's great recreational spaces, with its beautiful wide sandy beach with amazing views over the city, the docks and right across to the Able Tasman National Park. There are some great facilities, cafes, pop-up food and coffee vans, playground, fun park and a zoo. It's a great place to come for a day out. As it was my birthday, I got to choose coming to this amazing craft shop called Crafty or What at the Junction just south of Nelson. It had several rooms just filled with fabric, wools, textile kits and crafting tools. Some really helpful people working there in the shop offered some great advice with creative projects, and if we'd been there longer I'd definitely have signed up for one of their crafting courses. It was my idea of heaven. Not sure it was much fun for Graham. The craft shop was one of many interesting shops at the Junction they call Nelson's Home and Lifestyle Centre. As well as all the major shops and of course the craft shop, we took a look around and discovered a deli, cheese shop, a fantastic organic supermarket, whole food shops and much more. It was brilliant, and we stocked up with some lovely foods and drinks for the evening,
which we then consumed as a final celebration of Shirley's birthday that day. The birthday treats keep coming. We're at the Siegfried cellar door just outside Nelson on the State Highway. We're going to pop in and see if we can get a wine tasting. All fun.
Walking to the Harvest Kitchen where you can get some really good quality meals.
T-shirt, lively, complex and full-bodied. Will continue to improve with age. I like that. We then went on a very unusual visit to Pic's Peanut Butter Factory. It's situated in Whakatū in Nelson and is one of the best loved peanut butters in the world. We have it in the UK and couldn't resist the trip to the factory. It was founded by Pic Peanut in 2007, and as of 2025 it holds a 41% share of New Zealand's production of peanut butter. The business started in Pic's garage at home, where he roasted his peanuts in a modified concrete mixer. His reputation grew from supplying local farmers' markets to local supermarkets to national and now international distributions. The factory produces a whole range of products with no added sugar or palm oil. It was a brilliant tour, and they even had a go at producing our own version of crunchy peanut butter while cycling. Great fun. We had a lovely meal in the cafe at the end of the tour, peanut butter based of course, and came away with a big jar of peanut butter that lasted us for the rest of our trip. We then went on our final journey in Nelson and walked to the centre of New Zealand. The monument is found at the top of Botanical Hill, and after a short but very steep walk we were rewarded with fantastic views across the city, the Maitai Valley and Tasman Bay. It's the original central survey point for New Zealand, although the actual centre is a few miles away. But it's a must-do walk for anyone visiting New Zealand who wouldn't want to stand on this spot at the centre of this beautiful country.
What a great way to finish off our time here in Nelson, the centre of New Zealand. Well, the disputed centre, but it's still quite impressive. We're at the top of the hill overlooking the city, and it's a beautiful view all round. What a fantastic place Nelson has been. Really surprising. So many different things to do and see. We've had a whale of a time. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and we look forward to seeing you again soon in our next one. Bye for now. And if you could press the like and subscribe buttons, that would be great. That helps us develop the channel and create more videos like this one. Thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.